Still warming up your car for 10 minutes in the morning? Yeah, that's myth number one. Let's bust some common car myths you probably still believe. Myth number one, you need to warm up your car for 10 plus minutes before driving. Old carburetor engines? Sure. But modern cars with fuel injection don't need that. 1 minute of idling is more than enough. And excessive idling actually wastes fuel and pollutes more. Myth number two, premium gas will make your car run better. Unless your car specifically requires premium fuel, you're just burning money. It doesn't boost performance in cars designed for regular gas. The only difference? The price. Myth number three, you should change your oil every 3,000 miles. That rule is ancient. Most modern cars can go 5,000 to even 10,000 miles between oil changes. Check your owner's manual. Stop throwing money at oil changes too soon. Myth number four, washing your car too often will damage the paint. False. Not washing your car regularly allows dirt and salt to eat into the paint and cause rust. Frequent washing, especially with proper products, actually protects your car. Myth number five, bigger tires improve performance. Not always. Oversized tires can mess with speedometer readings, reduce fuel efficiency, and even damage suspension if improperly installed. Stick to recommended tire sizes unless you're tuning for specific performance. How many of these did you believe? Hit like if you learned something new. And don't forget to subscribe for more car facts that actually matter.